Meat substitutes have been around since 206 BC, when tofu was the main alternative to meat. Over time, these substitutes became more popular, and today, plant-based alternatives are part of a $5.6 billion industry. One modern method of making vegan meat is through 3D printing, which can produce items like steaks and fish. So, how is 3D printed vegan meat made? This new technology uses 3D printing techniques and plant-based ingredients to create meat-like products. It's similar to traditional vegan meat production. The first step is choosing plant-based ingredients that provide the right texture, flavor, and nutrition. Protein and fat, which contribute to meat's taste and juiciness, are recreated using plant-based sources. Proteins come from legumes, grains, and seeds, and are processed to extract and isolate the protein. This might involve grinding, soaking, heating, and separating the protein from other components. The protein can be further processed to alter its structure, improving its ability to form meat-like textures. Fat is added next, often from plant oils like coconut, sunflower, or canola, or from nuts and seeds. These fats are mixed with emulsifiers such as lecithin or gums to create a stable mixture, which helps blend water and fat for a creamy texture. The fat structure is replicated by processing plant-based ingredients into fat-like droplets or globules. Maintaining moisture in the 3D printed vegan meat is essential for a juicy texture. Ingredients that hold water well, like certain proteins or fibers, are included to retain moisture during cooking. Hydrocolloids or starches can also help bind and retain moisture, contributing to the product's juiciness. Finally, heme is added for flavor. Heme, an iron-containing molecule found in animal muscle, gives meat its taste and aroma. While traditionally found in animals, it can be produced through fermentation using genetically engineered yeast. The prepared mixture is loaded into a 3D printer, which uses a computer-controlled extrusion system to print the plant-based paste layer by layer. The printer follows a digital model to build up the meat-like structure, creating complex textures and appearances. After printing, the meat structure may be cured or set to improve its texture, dried to remove excess moisture, and sometimes cooked to enhance flavor. The final product can be seasoned or flavored with marinades or sauces to mimic traditional meat flavors. While artificial meat is currently a small part of the meat industry, it is expected to grow. With investors like Bill Gates supporting research and startups, plant-based meat could make up 1/3 of the global meat market by 2054. 3D printed vegan meat is not just a technological marvel, but also offers potential health benefits. These plant-based meats often contain lower levels of saturated fats and no cholesterol compared to traditional meat, making them a heart-friendly option. Additionally, they can be fortified with essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals, which are crucial for a balanced diet. Moreover, 3D printed vegan meats contribute to sustainability by reducing the reliance on animal farming, which is associated with high greenhouse gas emissions, water usage, and land degradation. They offer a more environmentally friendly option that aligns with the growing demand for sustainable and ethical food sources. What do you think about the potential of 3D printed vegan meat? Are you open to trying these alternatives, or do you have concerns about them? Share your thoughts and let's discuss the future of food.